If you're just looking for a basic toolkit to keep in your house, it's got pretty much everything you need for most around the house projects. This just might be the kit for you. Comes with the instruction manual here for the power tool. So if you have any questions about that, because this kit comes with a drill as well. Comes with a battery charger. So really has a nice wide selection of different tools in here that are ready to go. Something very easy to keep in the house that you can grab, whether you need an adjustable wrench for small projects. You got tape measure. You got a couple different pair of pliers here. And I like the handles on these too. They're nice, pretty good grip handles. But yeah, this would be a great in-the-house kit that you can just grab, keep in there, out of your garage, keep it separate, so when you need something, you have it right ready and you're not out digging through the toolbox trying to find stuff. You got a couple different Phillips bits, a couple different flathead bit screwdrivers ready to go here. All stuff that you commonly use in your house. You also have a blade here, so if you need a blade, it's got the break-off blade, so you can always keep it sharp as you work your way down the blades. So another great thing to have handy. You also have a set of Allen wrenches, probably fairly standard sizes. It's going to fit quite a few different things, and some sockets here as well. Also have a small little socket set. So everything you really need here, and a couple drill bits as well, and including a electrical tester. A little tool for testing electricity as well. And this is an AC/DC tester. So really a pretty good kit for lots of around the house projects that you may have to do, whether it's hanging a picture, assembling a piece of furniture you buy, or something like that. It even comes with this little hammer here. So really a good selection of tools, a whole bunch of bits here for the drill gun as well. So you got a good variety of bits that you can use to assemble stuff. And it does come with a pretty good bucket here of hardware for hanging pictures, clocks on the walls, what have you. Really a great set for that. So if you're hanging stuff on your wall, or sometimes just need a general tool to do some repair work in the house, or fix something, or assemble a piece of furniture you pick up, then this just might be the kit for you. You got the drill gun here, of course. You got the battery in it. And that works. You got forward and reverse. So you are just really ready to go. Now these guys are nice enough to send this out to me so I can show you what's in here. Everything pops right in there too, so it stays. And then so they were nice enough to send this out so I can show you what's in this toolkit here. I appreciate that. I want to thank them for being willing to send this out to me so I could show you. So if you do click that order button, you know exactly what you're going to get. So I appreciate the fact that they did that, and I really hope this short video helps you out and you can determine whether or not this set is right for you.